Hello everybody and welcome to Module 3, Scholarly Sources. This week we'll be talking about the difference between scholarly sources and popular sources, and you will actually be providing me with some sources that you might use for your paper. So make sure you go in and do the reading and that you watch the video for this module. It does a really good job of explaining the difference between a scholarly source and a popular source. The PDF document is for checking the credibility of sources, and this is specifically for website sources, which we won't be using for your research paper, but it's good information to have in the future whenever you are researching topics and you want to find credible websites and website articles that can help you in your research process. So your assignment for this week is to find 12 scholarly sources for your paper, and for these, you need to make sure that you provide me enough information that I can look them up. So I'll need things like the author, the title of the article, the title of the journal that the article was in, along with the volume and issue number, and the page range. You can also choose books for this assignment. However, you want to make it easy on yourself and don't try to overwhelm yourself by picking 5 books that you have to read all 5 books for this. This is a 1 credit hour class, so I wanted to make it as easy as possible on you guys. Just remember that scholarly sources do not include newspaper articles or magazines or those types of things. There is a little for fun assignment after you read your checking the credibility of sources PDF. If you want to practice, there is a practice activity on there where you can actually go in and use the checklist to see if these sources are actual credible sources or not. So this part is not for a grade, it's just for fun, but you can go out there and do that and then check your answers on the answer document. And then there's a little discussion forum if you want to brag that you got 5 out of 5, or if you really have no idea why one source wasn't credible or was credible, you guys can post out their questions and I'll go back in and answer. But the most important thing for this week is for you guys to watch that video and to make sure you turn in all 12 scholarly sources with enough information that I can look them all up. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Have a wonderful week.